This high-precision row seeding kit is tailor-made for DJI agricultural drones, weighing only 17.5千克. It is lightweight and quick to mount. Equipped with modular 10-liter single hoppers, it delivers a max 50 kilograms payload and fully replaces manual sawing for standardized row planting of wheat, corn, soybean, forage, and more. Its adjustable working width ranges 90 to 150 centimeters, with seeding volume from 1 kilogram to 12 kilograms per mule. Uniform fitting guarantees even seedling emergence to cut seed and labor costs while covering 4 to 10 mules per flight for drastically higher farming efficiency. It supports 2 control methods, autonomous flight and 1 kilometer long-distance remote control. Built-in collagen kill material monitoring triggers low seed reminders to enable unattended operation. Featuring a plug-and-play interface compatible with mainstream DJI agri drones, this kit fits large-scale seeding and fertilization, hilly and scattered farmlands, dry sowing, ecological afforestation, and post-disaster vegetation restoration. Variolate smart farming ensures tidy rows, consistent crop growth, and higher yields.